Hello there, it's me, Luwasi Forex. I'd love to welcome you to Booster Charts YouTube channel. Before going, I'd love to thank my mentors, Robert Kiyosaki, who wrote the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, Tim Sykes, who wrote the foreword to the book The Penstock Course, and finally Matthew Crater, who wrote the book Rocket Stocks, and you can find all their books on Amazon and Kindle. Now let's dive straight into this live stream. So happy you've joined me. Now, we're here to talk about how to trade pre-market. All right, our stream is healthy, thank God. All right, now let's dive right into it. All right, now pre-market is very important, and as you can see, what's important about this pre-market, if we come down to the daily, let me see, come down to the daily chart pattern, you will notice that the pre-market hours are above uh the last bar. Okay, so that's your price entry. Your price entry is based off pre-market data, right? So you find that the last bar is above pre-market, and you can even see the percentage here by 1%. And this is what has by Nasdaq Incorporation, and this is what has encouraged me to place a trade on the Nasdaq. So right now we are buying Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq is the one we are buying because um I have been seeing a lot of traders, online trying to learn how to trade the Nasdaq. And so this is what I'm doing. I'm buying Nasdaq. I think my position size is $24,000, so we're risking less than 1%, which is $200. So we're buying Nasdaq right now. So that's the buy signal right now. So the question is, how do you trade pre-market? So it's been has crossed the orange line. Then we come now back to the daily chart pattern. Now it's on the daily chart pattern where we're looking for pre-market price trading. All right, so remember, on the day, on the first, we start with the monthly chart. We make sure it's got a bullish MACD, right? So you have a bullish MACD on the month. Then on the 2, on the week, you have a reversal on the reversal or down channel on the stochastic. All right, stochastic. And finally, on the last price action is on the pre-market. So you're making sure that the pre-market percentage is higher than the previous day, which we have seen here. Now this is a little bit different from my previous strategy, which we was using candlestick patterns. So the cool thing about this strategy is that you do not need to use candlestick patterns. I mean, the other one, the previous one, candlestick patterns was what you was forced to use. But in this one, it seems like you don't really need to use, them candlestick patterns. And this looks like a morning star to me. I mean, this is a perfect morning star. I want to show you something else, something very interesting that I noticed, especially on the daily chart pattern. I want to show you something that maybe you could uh, investigate when you have time. So I want you to check this out. What is that? Okay. So the price is above the 13-day moving average, but it's below the 50-day moving average, right? So we are trading from the 13-day moving average support, but it's still below the 50-day moving average. So it's kind of like we have a 20-day head start on this move, and that's your edge. right? Your edge on this move is that you have a 30-day head start. Now obviously I used the trading view screener to find this stock. Maybe we can go into the trading view screener, and then you will see it's exactly like I explained before. Positive bullish pattern on the month using the MACD. We have an oversold pattern on the stochastic on the week. Then we have a pre-market hour pattern, a price action on the day. So basically we want the pre-market to be above 0%. We want the price change to be above 0%, right? So it's the price change versus the pre-market change. And then we have Nasdaq here. We also have, I think this is a banking stock.